Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file for a tax extension. First, gather personal info, income documents, and estimate your tax due to know if you must pay now. Then choose your filing method, either electronically with Form 4868 or by mail. Make any payment to avoid interest and penalties. Finally, mark the new due date on your calendar and prepare your return before that deadline. Decide how you will submit the extension and make payment if needed. If you e-file, you often get instant confirmation, which gives peace of mind. If mailing, send Form 4868 early and use certified mail for proof. For payments, choose IRS Direct Pay, EFTPS, or credit card options, and record the payment confirmation. Keep a copy of everything for your records and follow up if you don't receive confirmation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more tax tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long filing sessions and fits most cup holders, making paperwork less painful. I use it when organizing forms and making payments online. Check the description for the link and any deals, and snag one if you like the idea. Now let's get back to the video. Estimate your tax using recent pay stubs and prior returns to avoid surprises. Aim to pay at least 90% of this year's tax, or 100% of last year's tax, to minimize penalties and interest. Use IRS payment tools or a trusted tax software to submit payments and save confirmations. Keep detailed records of the estimate, payment method, and submission date so you can resolve any discrepancies quickly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.